My name is Ms. Bria, and I am the Work Readiness Program Instructor here at DORS. Just to give you some information about what we do here at our program, we provide you with self-determination skills so that you can feel motivated and confident entering the job workforce. We also provide you with core values so that you have an understanding of what's important to you and that you know yourself entering the workforce. We also will develop your organizational skills so that when you are ready to start interviewing and entering into the workforce, you're completely organized and understand how to maintain your position. If you're interested in joining our program, I'm really going to be excited to see you and meet you. Just make sure that you contact your DORS counselor.